When you receive the shipment, it will include 4 main modules, also along with all essential accessories. Okay, let's begin the installation. Firstly, we need to install the TV. We need to install the 2 TV brackets to the back of the TV. Each bracket is secured with 2 screws. Then, connect the signal cable to the TV. Finally, place the TV onto the mounting position inside the chamber. Next, we will install the external touchscreen and the intercom. Place the intercom onto the intercom holder on the external touchscreen. Insert 1/0 insertion force ZIF connector into the circuit board of the external touchscreen. Also connect the 2 bullet terminals by matching and attaching the male and female ends. Finally, fix the external touchscreen onto the chamber body by tightening the 4 screws. Then tighten 3 screws to mount the SMC oxygen filter onto the chamber body. Then insert the inlet tube and outlet tube into the corresponding ports on the SMC filter. Then connect the RS485 signal cables. There are 4 cables in total, and they must be connected in sequence. From air conditioner to air booster module. Air booster module, oxygen concentrator 1. Oxygen concentrator 1 to oxygen concentrator 2. Oxygen concentrator 2. Chamber body socket. Then connect the air and oxygen tubes. From the chamber body side, there are 2 oxygen ports, A and B, diameter 8 mm, and 1 air inlet port, D, diameter 16 mm. Then connect the in and out water pipes from the air conditioner to the chamber's AC in and AC out ports. With all the steps above completed, the entire system installation is now fully connected. These are external touchscreen switch, red emergency button. External touchscreen. You can put the anti-static mat on the floor, plug in its power connector, and stand on the mat to remove any static electricity before entering the chamber. Open the transparent door and 2 users enter the chamber, one after the other. Inside the chamber, you will find the TV, internal touchscreen, air conditioner indoor unit, LED lighting, and seats. For seats, they come with lift-up leg supports for better relax. Put on the anti-static wrist strap and wear the BIBS breathing mask. On the touchscreen, set the language, pressure level, session time, pressurization speed, air conditioning temperature, and lighting brightness. After that, you can begin your hyperbaric oxygen journey. Our system also includes 7 treatment protocols for different needs. After the session ends, you can activate a 20-minute disinfection cycle. If the external touchscreen lock button is activated, the inside screen cannot be operated. If the red emergency stop button is pressed, the chamber will immediately stop working and release pressure. Users inside the chamber can still control the system via internal touchscreen. You can communicate with the outside using the built-in intercom telephone system. Hope you can begin your HBOT journey with an OLIVE hyperbaric chamber and enjoy a healthier, higher quality life.